Good morning, good morning. So yeah, yesterday I just got some salad from the local supermarket. There was one or two open because it was Sunday. Yeah, just a salad, same what I always eat. Yeah, so my GPS leads me to Calais. It's around 900 kilometers. I will make it in 3, maybe 4 days. And then I'll head over to UK. That's my plan. If I find something very exciting, interesting on the way there, then I will stop by. I haven't done any research. I will ask the reception if there's something that I cannot miss on the way. I'm sure there is something. Yeah, but my main point for France was Paula, but my main point is not joining. So yeah, it's just access transit. 36 degrees, 37 was the peak yesterday. Let's see how hot it gets today.
I selected no highway in all of this, so it should be purely countryside roads. Oh, there's a car. It looks like accident or... It looks unique here. Oh, that's also so unique. Oh, we're going through here. Okay, wow. Oh, that looks cool here. That is probably one of the very last mountain passes and one of the last mountains at all here on my tour. Because more north of France, I guess there are no mountains, so if I remember the map correctly. And England does not have serious mountains. So English people, I think there are no... I know there is Scotland also has mountain, but it's not like that Alps mountains, right? Yeah, I enjoy the last mountain pass here.
My first time.
I might need to find a repair shop somewhere on the road because I want them to check on the brakes. The chain tension is probably a bit too low. The tires are still good. Yeah, so brakes and chain. Today in 3 weeks I need to be back. Yesterday in 3 weeks I need to be back. Not much left. Okay, 3 weeks is almost 4 weeks, so almost 1 month left here. Sorry, I think I have my light earlier. I think this could be the last mountain pass here. And this road is not so good because they have roll split on the road. There's gravel, tiny gravel pieces because they fixed something or so. Oh, and that is so dangerous. Yeah, but the trees, it looks so good when it's I think at the beginning of August should not be autumn, but it still looks okay. It looks good, yeah. Yeah, on the GPS there's like turns a lot, so it looks like a pass. It starts looking, it starts looking nice here. They're starting to grow wine. So far this day is really enjoyable. It's just countryside roads. There's from time to time a little village which actually looks really nice. Nothing that's disturbing, there's no much traffic. It's just like this, yeah, countryside roads, as I said. But the view is mostly good. Not really amazing, but mostly good. Good enough for me. I'm very humble, you know. So yeah, I enjoy this day. It's the first 120 something kilometer. Really nice, really good. Well done, GPS. Yeah, this is completely up to my taste. I can't stop praising these roads. I expected anything but this. It's amazing riding here. I don't know where I got this kind of roads, and yeah, the surrounding and everything. It's almost perfect. Wow. Yep. So why almost? Oh, I'm not so sure. There's a bench, and we learned that bench usually is a good viewing point, huh? And somewhere below there is a petrol station where I'm going now. Oh, wine. Oh, okay. Finally the wine region here. There's my petrol station, but I think that is off. I think I saw another one here. Oh, there it's open. Nice. I think we have officially entered the wine cultivating area here. They are growing a lot of that. Here, all the grapes. Oh, we need to turn right. Oh, right into the wine fields here. Oh, nice. Oh, I can see the grapes. And they are purple already. Oh, there's even more and more. Okay, that's plenty. That's all wine. But these are huge. Why are they so much bigger? These grapes? Could be.
There it is, the wine. Growing. It's tiny. And the grapes itself is really tiny. But the taste, look at how tiny it is. Not ripe. Oh. Wow. Nope. I'm out. I found a camping. So the last 1 hour was just straight roads. I made lots of distance today. I need to go here. Oh, that looks
It looks pretty good actually. Looks okay.
So I got my space here, unfortunately. No trees. This tree is a bit close to the next one and they are not there. I cannot ask if they are okay for me to stay there one more night. Yeah, so that means time for the tent. There's a supermarket nearby where I need to get some food now. I'm so hungry and then I need to call my dad. She's going in swimsuit to Aldi. Okay, let's see what Aldi has here in France. So I don't know what I want. Probably just salad as usual. Of course they have croissant and cheap. First thing is I need to check for salad. Only then I know what else to buy. Check mark. Tomato. The local tomato. So that was a wonderful day. Much better, so much better than expected. I had 430 kilometers. I think the last 50, 60 kilometers was just straight because I used Google anyway, except for highway and tollways. If I don't take the last kilometer to this camping ground into account, then I would say it's at least 90% nice roads. So I even bought garlic, but I forgot lemon. I was thinking about lemon for a short moment, but this moment was too short. So I got hummus, bread. Bread looks actually pretty good, but small bread. And tomato and the salad and walnut. Or safety, who knows, ne? Who knows? Good, I will make my food. There's a guy next to my camping spot on the other side of the road. Road, path, whatever it is here. When I arrived here, he came over and talked to me in French. I said, I'm very sorry, but there is no French that I do speak or understand. Doesn't matter, he kept talking. So then I used Google Translator. And then what he said is that the biker greetings also. He's welcoming bikers and he always greets bikers even from his car on the road by this. Oh, that has garlic and a lot. Nice. How was that? Looking good, huh? Thanks for watching, good night, and see you in the next episode. Thumbs up, leave a comment about anything at all, and thanks for subscribing.